Hi guys, how are you? I am very excited today. Why? Because I have a very interesting topic lined up for you. And what is this? But before I tell what it is, I will ask you something. Do you have a pet cat? Have you noticed that anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat has a mystery, but Macavity is one. For sure, what it is that makes Macavity is a mystery cat. And today topic is 11th standard English, and now the Macavity, the mystery cat. So this is written by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot. E-L-I-O-T. Eliot. So Macavity is a mystery cat. And before going to this poem, we will see some glossary in this lesson. And now, first one is define. What is the meaning for define? This is disobey, disobey, misusing the law. Second one, bafflement. What is bafflement? Confusion, total confusion. And now, third one is Scotland Yard. The meaning is the headquarters of London Metropolitan Police Service. Fourth one, flying squad. Meaning is a police force ready to plunge into action. Fifth one, levitation. Rising and floating in air. Sixth one, fakir. One who lives alone. Seventh one, ginger, meaning alert and cautious. Alert and cautious. Eighth one, fiend, devil or demon. Ninth one, feline, cat's variety. And 10th one, depravity, evil qualities. Evil qualities. 11th one, larder, larder, meaning is cupboard for storing food. And 12th one, rifle, steel. And 13th one, peck, P-E-K-E. The meaning is Pekingese dog, the variety of dog. So here feline is a variety in cat, and same way peck is a variety in dog. And stifle, stifle, to suppress someone from acting. And 15th one, admiralty, admiralty, and the meaning is administrative office in Navy, British Navy. And next one, deceitfulness, cunningness. 17th one, suavity, and the meaning is confidence and sophisticated. There is always an air of mystery in cats. They appear to see something which we don't. Macavity is one such elusive, agile and phantom-like cat. And let us read this humorous lyric poem, and we can find what happened when he strikes. So this poem was written by T.S. Eliot. Before going to this recitation of the poem, we learn something about the author, that is poet. The name of the poet is T.S. Eliot. He was born on 1888. He was not only an essayist, critic, but also playwright and a pioneering of the 20th century. What is pioneering? Pioneering. The meaning is well-known, famous, popular of the 20th century. His famous poem, popular poem includes The Cocktail Party, The Wasteland, The Hollow Man, and not only that, After the Strange, and now some cats. He is very much interested in cat. He liked cat, so that he often used his dramas as well as poem, and always his poem consists some fictional character like the poet, the cats, the mystery cat. In this poem, Macavity, the mystery cat, was taken from his collection of poem, Old Possums of Practical Cats. This is a collection of poem, but from this collection of poem, he written that, and in this poem, what you are having in your class standard 11 is what taken from that collection of poem itself. But he named it Macavity, the mystery cat. What is a mystery? The mystery meaning difficult to find, difficult to understand. And Macavity is a fictional character of T.S. Eliot poem, and that is the fictional character, the cat. Name is called Macavity. The cat is always mystery cat. And now let us see. And now this is a rhyming poem. The full poem is personified, personification. Because why I am telling? Because whole poem is consist of only imagination, only imaginary. And now not only that, personified meaning all the character which was specified, which was telling about the cat, was all consist in human beings. Personification means it is the difference, it's compared to human qualities, feelings, all the actions, everything will be compared to quality of the animals, objects, animals, plants, everything. Living thing and non-living things is comparison. So this is called personified. So in this whole poem, he is contained, the concept is all the meaning, all the qualities about the cat which was compared to the human beings. And same way human beings' qualities is compared to the cat. And now let us see the recitation of the poem. See here, Macavity, the mystery cat. It was written by T.S. Eliot. Macavity, a mystery cat, he is called the hidden pawn, for he is a master criminal who can defy the law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He is broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stay. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly doomed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movement like a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. For he is fierce in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in square. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. And when the lauder looter or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another pet's being trifled, or the greenhouse glass is broken, and the terraces past repair, hey, there is the wonder of the thing. Macavity is not there. And when the Foreign Office find a treatise gone astray, or the Admiralty lost some plans and drawing by the way, there may be a scrap of papers in the hall or on the stair, but it is useless to investigate. Macavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. You will be sure to find him resting, or licking of his thumbs, or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare. And whatever time the deed took place, Macavity was not there. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. Yet I might mention Mungojeering, I might mention Griddlebone, or nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just control their operations, Napoleon of crime. And you listen carefully, word by word explanation of this poem. And the poem name is Macavity, the Mystery Cat, T.S. Eliot. Macavity, a mystery cat. So you know what is mystery? Mystery means difficult to understand, difficult to find what the cat was doing. That is called mystery cat. So here in this poem, the poet was introducing his fictional character Macavity is a mystery cat. And now he is named as Hidden Paw. You know that the cat always hiding his paw, legs inside its body. So Macavity is called as the Hidden Paw. The poet is expressing Macavity is a mystery cat, difficult to understand what he is doing, and not only that, he is called as Hidden Paw. Always keep his legs inside his body. And second line, for he is the master criminal. You know what is criminal? He is doing all the evil things, evil qualities. So the criminal who can defy the law. What is the meaning for defy? I told you in the glossary, defy means disobeying. Disobey. So always he is the master of criminal. And not only that, he was not disobeying any law. First line, the Macavity is a mystery cat. And second one is called as hidden paw, always keep his leg inside his body. And he was a master of criminal. And now he is always disobeying every laws. And now he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Is a Scotland Yard is a London police force. The flying squad disappear. For when there is a scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Suppose the police force in London, they will see what crime he did it. When they reach that place where the crime was committed by the cat, Macavity, the cat, the mystery cat was not there. And now because for that, the flying squad of London, what they did, what they will happen, despair. They are very sad, disappointment. And because why they are disappointment means, in that place where the crime was committed by the cat, by Macavity, the Macavity was not there in that place. He was miles away from that place. So you can know these 4 lines. Macavity is a mystery cat. He was called as hidden paw, and now he is a master of criminal and who can disobey the law. And bafflement means confusion, total confusion, because in the place where the crime was committed, the Macavity was not there. So in the London police service officers were very confused, not very confused, they were despair, sad, because there in the place Macavity was not there, and they are very disappointment. And next stanza, Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. No cat was there like Macavity. And he is broken every human law, because why he is telling, he is always breaking human law. What are the human law? Human are following the laws. All it is broken by the Macavity, the cat. And he breaks the law of gravity. You know what is gravity? The Newton's law of gravity. And one was floating from earth to air. And what happened? When the policemen were going there to find the crime where the Macavity was committed the crime, in that place the Macavity was floating, and his powers of levitation. Levitation means the flying, rising and floating in air, and would make a fakir stay. So there the scene which was the Macavity was levitation, that scene was seeing fakir. The fakir means the man, the holy person. One was holy person, always praying about the God, and always. And now he is seeing, he is staring. What is staring? Looking very closely and without moving his eyes. And the Macavity, the fakir was seeing his qualities of levitation. And now, and when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity was not there. In the place also, nothing can find it. We cannot find Macavity there. And you may seek him in the basement, and you may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. When we see in the ground, the basement means underground, and you may see up in the air. But I refer to the poet T.S. Eliot. Again and again I tell you, if you see in the underground, if you see in the air, we cannot find the Macavity is not there. We can't able to find. And Macavity is a ginger cat. Ginger is referred to alert and cautious, because he was very alert, and not only that cautious, and not only that the color, which was the ginger color, cat also will be there. That cat is very alert and cautious. He is very tall and thin. The Macavity cat is, the mystery cat is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken him. You know him. If you see the cat, his eyes are sunken. What is the sunken? Deep inside. His eyes are deep. That is called sunken, deep. His eyebrow is deeply lined with thought. And his eyebrow is, many lines will be there in his head, eyebrow. Brow means eyebrow. And is deeply lined, many more lines will be there. Because why? He is always thinking in his mind. What we have to do, where we want to go, what have to do. So that his head is highly doomed. This is doomed means shape like doomed shape. His head is doomed. His coat is dusty. His body is very dirty. Dusty means dirty from neglect. What is neglect? He doesn't care about his body. Ignored. Neglect means ignored. His whiskers. Whiskers means the hair which was in his cheek are uncombed. It's not combing. It's because he's not care about his body properly. He sways his head from side to side. Sway means shaking, moving from his head from side to side with movement like a snake. How it is shaking? It's a snake was moving like this, is shaking his head from here to here. And when you think he is off asleep, if you think he is asleep, but really he always wide awake. He is not sleeping, always awake. He won't sleep at all. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. So all this quality you see there. So the poet was telling, you can't able to find like Macavity. And there is no one like Macavity, for he is fiend in feline shape. What is fiend? Demon or devil, ghost. And feline means the variety of cat. And a master of depravity. Master, not ghost. What is depravity? All the immorality and evil qualities. All the evil qualities are within her itself. You may meet him in a by street. You can see anyway in the street. You may see him in square. Square means the plaza, open area. In the town, city or town, in the open area, we can see the Macavity anyway, everywhere. But when a crime is discovered, but he will roam here and there. But when the crime was discovered, then Macavity is not there. In that place, the Macavity was not there. The cat was not there. He is outwardly respectable. But when we see outside, he is looking very respectable. He won't do anything. He won't did any crime at all. He won't steal. He won't theft at all. They say he cheats at cards. Like human beings, when they play cards, they will cheat. But on seeing that they are very respectable like this, on playing games, what they will do? They will commit some cheats and all. They will cheat at all. And like this, the Macavity, the cat was, when we see outside, they look very respectable manner. But when we see inside, it was irrespective. And his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. Because the London police want to file the crime. So they need some evidence. So they are finding the Macavity's footprints. So he won't left any footprint at all. So the Scotland Yard were very sad. They are very disappointed. Because they can't able to find the evidence. So they can't able to file the file also. And when the lauder means cupboard, the storing food. Looter means theft, stealing, or the jewel case is rifled. Jewel case, or the jewel box, inside the box, all the jewels will be there. When the rifle are now, or when the milk is missing, or another peg's been stifled. When the milk is missing, the milk was not there, or pecs means a variety of dog, being stifled, suppressed. If the dog was doing any action, any work, what the dog will do? The dog was very afraid to see the cat, because the cat was suppressing the Pekingese dog, the variety of dog. Suppressed. What is this? Stifled, suppressed. And now, or the greenhouse glass is broken. So in the window glass was broken, and the terrace past repair, the wooden bar, which was the green plants will be there. So this was repaired. Hey, there is the wonder of the thing. We can see surprising. Who was did it? Who was broken the glass of the greenhouse? Who was repaired the terrace? And we call surprising wonder Macavity, because Macavity was not there. And when the foreign officer find a treaty is gone astray, when the foreign officer find a treaty, though now gone astray, escape, or the Admiralty, that is British Navy administrating office, some plans and drawings are missing, and we can't able to find it who did it, because in that place the Macavity also not there. There may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stage. So scrap of paper, some important papers in the hall or on the stage, but it's useless to investigate, because this is useless to find it, investigate where the papers are, where the important papers are there, because their Macavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, what is loss? Which was misusing, which was not there, and which was not there is disclosed, the secret service the secret agency was saying it may have been Macavity. So they are saying all this thing will be did it only because of the Macavity, but he is a mile away. But when we go and see where the file is, there the Macavity is not there, because the Macavity is far away from there, it's miles away. You will be sure to find him resting or a licking of his thumbs. When we find where they are, they are sure to find him. What the Macavity will do, it will take rest, and otherwise it will licking of his thumbs, because he is licking his thumbs, or what he will do, or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. He will planning what we have to do. And Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. We can't be able to find where it is. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness, suavity. What he will do, he was very dishonest person and dishonest animal, and not only that, he was a cunning person, and suavity, he was sitting very sophistically and tactfully, and he is planning next plan will be there. He always has an alibi. The last stanza, what is alibi? Alibi means evidence. And one or two to spare. And what he will do, what is alibi? If the real person who was committed the crime, he was not here, but here somewhere, he is sending one or two person to say the evidence. That the person is called alibi. He will send one or two to spare, to escape. Spare means escape. At whatever time the deed took place. So the alibi, those who came, one or two person to say, tell the evidence, what they will do? They will say, deed means the work which was committed, the crime or action, the work was took place. Macavity was not there, but really the person was not there. Only he sent one or two person to tell evidence. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known, and they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. But they know all the wicked qualities, all the work will be known, the actions will be known. What are all the cats will do, they know. There are two persons they send. One Mongojeri and another one is Griddlebone. There are two agents of the Macavity, evidence agent of the Macavity. The Macavity was sent two persons. These two fictional characters are in T.S. Eliot poems. Always he is using, and you can see the picture also, film also, are nothing more than agents for the cats. These two are cats agent who all the time just control their operation. So always operation means the work, the action which was doing. So he was always controlling what are all the work, what are all the crime they did it, that was control all this thing. That person is Macavity only. He sent the Macavity to all the agent to tell the evidence, and now the agent was two person, but it was controlled by Napoleon of crime. Who is the Napoleon of crime? Who is the main character of this one? And now he is the Macavity. Macavity is the Napoleon of all the crime. He is the master of all the crime. So you see this 4 line is a rhyming scheme. And now pa, la and despair, they. So here you can say pa and a rhyming scheme A, B, B. And the same way here Macavity, gravity. Stay, they. Same rhyming scheme A, B, B. Same way here repair, they. Astray, way. A, and B, B. Same way hall and stay. Hall, there, here, say, away. Same way stay, there. A, say, away. B, B. Here thumbs, sums, Macavity, suavity. A, B, B. Same spare, there. Known, time. So like this A, B, B. So this and all rhyming scheme. And now in this poem personification. So I told you first itself this poem is fully personified because it's an imaginary one. And personification means its comparison all the human qualities to the animals' qualities. And same way, but only one example we took from the poem personification, the line, they say he cheats at cards. So this is the qualities of the humans. This is so that we are taking, this is the personification example. Our next poetic device is simile. In the poem, the line is, he sways his head from side to side with movement like a snake. You can know, if the simile poetic device means, you can have to as or like or such as. These 3 words, when we see in the line, we can take this line as a simile for poetic device example. Alliteration. Here alliteration, you know that the first word of the letter is same. Macavity is a mystery. M and this M. H. Head is highly doomed. So this is H. So that it is called alliteration. And not only that, what is exaggeration? Exaggeration means increase the intensity of the person or the animal. If the quality is normal, the quality of the person is normal. If you want to increase this quality, that is called exaggeration. And same way, repetition. You know what is repetition? Again and again. Macavity is not there, Macavity is not there. So these and all some poetic devices and all. And not only that, some ERC from this poem and question answer also will be there, and poem appreciation also will be there, paragraph also will be there, and you may find it detailing. You can know this poem, what I taught you just before, word by word, line by line. You may go through it and find out the meaning and see your book and see these lines which was written just now in this video, and you may find it and you find all this thing and you learn it thoroughly and write it. All the best. Thank you.